English for Everyone. Coursebook. Level 3, Intermediate. Lesson 53.
If I won the lottery, I would leave my job.
If he wasn't so busy, he'd go on vacation. I'd call her if I knew her number.
If she applied for the job, we would offer it to her. If my job was better paid, I would buy my own apartment. We would employ many more staff if we had more office space. If they raised enough money, they would start their own business. We would increase our profits if we advertised on national TV.
Sarah, I've got a great idea that I want to tell you about.
Okay.
You know that wonderful house we saw yesterday?
Yes.
Well, if we raised the money, we could buy it and run it as a little hotel.
If you really wanted to buy the house, we'd have to raise a lot of money.
I know, but if we sold our house, we could afford it.
Oh, Gavin. If you weren't such a dreamer, I'd take your plan more seriously.
I wouldn't be telling you about this if I wasn't serious about it.
We'd be taking a big risk if we sold our house.
If we got it right, we'd make a fortune.
Well, let's take some time to think about it. But I don't think you should leave your job just yet.
If I had the money, I'd invest in your business. If he sold his apartment, he'd buy a villa in Spain. If she invested her money wisely, she'd be very rich. If he took his work seriously, he'd be offered a promotion. If we modernized the factory, we'd increase productivity.
I do the paperwork on Tuesday afternoons. He always makes decisions very quickly.
Dear Olivia, thank you for being such a great intern. You always do your job efficiently and everyone enjoys working with you. You asked us for some feedback to help you improve. When you do business with a company, always do your research thoroughly before you make an appointment to meet clients. If you study the company carefully, you can make suggestions that will impress your clients. You should also always do your paperwork thoroughly. Please don't be afraid to ask for help if you make a mistake. Finally, although we don't usually employ interns, we want to make an exception in your case. We would like to offer you a permanent job. Regards, Rena.
Do business. Do your research. Do your paperwork. Do your job. Make a mistake. Make an appointment. Make an exception. Make suggestions.
I'll make mistakes if I rush my work. I think I've made the right decision. Levi can help you do the paperwork. I enjoy doing business with new clients. If you worked harder, you'd do a better job. Selma always makes great suggestions. I need to make an important call. Have you done your research properly? Can you make an exception for me? I've made an appointment to see Mr. Cox.
He makes mistakes all the time. It was great to do business with you. Can I make a suggestion? I'm afraid we can't make an exception. You've done a great job this week. It's important to do your research. I hate doing the paperwork. End of lesson 53.